It is important to keep your DreamStation system clean. Disconnect the flexible tube and mask each day for cleaning. Follow the cleaning instructions that came with your mask. Remove the filter assembly. In a sink or shower, gently wash the tube in a solution of warm water and mild detergent. Rinse it thoroughly and allow it to air dry completely before use. If you are using a humidifier, remove, empty, and clean the humidifier water tank daily. Wash the water tank with warm soapy water and rinse it thoroughly. You can also place it on the upper shelf of a dishwasher. Before cleaning the device itself, unplug the power cord. Dampen a cloth with water and mild detergent and wipe the outside of the device. Do not immerse it in water. Wipe down the Theropy device and optional humidifier. Under normal use, the humidifier lid seal should not require any maintenance or replacement. The seal may be cleaned as needed by wiping it with a damp cloth. If necessary, the humidifier lid seal can be removed for thorough cleaning. Gently peel the seal from the humidifier lid. Wash it in a solution of warm water and a mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Rinse with clean water. Wipe it completely on both sides and then allow the seal to air dry. To install or reseat your humidifier lid seal, fully open the humidifier lid. Position the seal against the inside of the lid so the seal's center hole aligns with the humidifier outlet port. Confirm that the seal is positioned so the wire channel in the seal is below the humidifier outlet port. Note that the seal only fits properly in one orientation. With the seal loosely in place, start at the bottom and gently press the edges into the channel in the lid. Continue sliding your fingers all around the seal until the outer edge is completely seated. Next, press the seal around the humidifier outlet port until the center is fully seated. Finally, go back and run your fingers around the perimeter to confirm that the seal is still in place. Before reassembling your system, inspect the tube and mask for damage. When all the parts are thoroughly dry, insert the filters, connect the tube, and plug DreamStation back into a power source.